What's this?
Sky.
Ski.
Ski.
Yeah, ski. Okay. What's that?
Sky. Ski. Sky. Ski. Sky. Ski.
Yeah, ski area. Okay, let's name this one. Okay.
The fine text both describes a new restaurant. This text is from an
Article.
And the
video. No. Is that? No, it's not that one. That's a website. No, I don't want that one. No, it's video. Okay, kind of fun. Just call it video. Herald. It's kind of newspaper. That's a Boston Herald. No. Oh, I got it. Maybe I got it wrong. What's that?
Hound.
Hound is one kind of dog.
Hound. Hound. Herald. Herald. Herald.
Yeah, it's an official message.
Official message.
Herald. Herald. Herald.
Okay, spread.
Herald. Now.
Okay.
Herald. Herald. Herald.
Okay, spread.
Herald.
Yeah, that's called Boston Herald. It's a newspaper. Okay, here is Vindale Herald.
Vindale's
newest
restaurant.
Jen's
kitchen serves large healthy meals and a cozy, comfortable setting. The museum
in restaurant. What do you see? In restaurant menu. Yeah, you order a dish on the menu.
The menu includes
grilled chicken. Grilled. Okay, that's grilled chicken. Grilled. That's how you cook it. What's that? Herald.
Herald,
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 Herald.
Okay, official message.
Message in the past.
Okay.
Herald,
Herald,
grill,
yeah,
grill,
yeah,
grill,
yeah.
Can spell it.
G-R-L-L, grill. I cook food a meal
A metal
matter
frame.
of a fire. We are
Planning.
planning to grill some chicken and burgers at the
Cookout. Grill. Okay.
fire.
Okay.
Cooking food,
Cook food.
food on a metal
Frame.
of a fire.
Okay. Just like this. Okay. Cook it. Grill. No, okay, can spell it.
G-R-L-L, grill.
The menu includes
Grilled chicken, rice and beans, and thick
thick,
swamp.
no.
Thick syrup.
What's this?
Soup.
And the thick
Soups that will warm you the winter you won't want to leave the
pleasant environment.
present environment of
Jan's.
Jan's kitchen.
Okay, this what's the
Want
what's this?
wait want wait want.
Okay, that's the first one.
This text is from the point of view of a customer
Good.
at a restaurant. The restaurant, my friends and I had to wait a long time for a table
For a table.
at Jan's
Jan's.
kitchen. We stood outside because the restaurant was so crowded. The
Heater. Okay, heater. You see the heater. Make people warm. Heater. Okay. What's this?
grill,
Good.
grill,
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 to cook food on a
Metal frame.
of a fire. We are
Planning.
planning to grill some chicken and burgers.
heater,
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 heater.
Okay, can spell it.
H-E-A-T-E-R, heater.
Okay, to make people warm. Okay, that's a heater. Okay, the heater.
The heater was broken, so we asked to sit beside the fireplace. Then we learned it wasn't working. I can't even remember the food because I was
Shivering means shaking.
shivering too much.
Okay. Shaking.
How is the customer's point of view different from the article and others?
Good.
The customer makes the restaurant sound cold and uncomfortable. The customer makes it sound as if the food is terrible.
Okay, good.
The customer makes the restaurant sound like a welcoming place.
Okay, which one? Okay, good. Very good.
Submit.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, let's read another one. Okay.
The following text both describes the following text.
Text.
The following text both describe a school bus ride on the first day of school. This text is told from the point of view of
Eli.
Okay. A student going to a new school. Butterflies
Good.
fluttered
Okay, flutter. Good.
in my stomach. As I got on the yellow bus, I felt
I'm anxious.
Anxious as I looked at all the unfamiliar
Good.
faces. The driver smiled at me, but the kids were too busy
Greeting
their friends to even notice me. I felt so alone. This text is from the point of view of
Miss Solomon.
Solomon, a new school bus driver. I felt ready for my first shift
Good.
as a school bus driver. I turned the bus at each corner with
Ease.
my cheerful
Mood.
mood.
Maybe we name this mood. No. Yeah, that's mood. Your different mood. Happy, sunny. That's your mood. Different moods. Okay. What's that?
Heater.
Okay, then I can keep the room warm. Okay. Mood. Okay. Feeling.
He's been in a good mood all week.
Mood.
M-O-O-D, mood.
Okay. Spirit. Mood. Let me see. No. I think this the state of mind. Let's stop here.